Two associates of controversial businessman Wycliffe Chivhayo are now officially on South Africa's wanted list after skipping court in a 15 million rand gold smuggling case, triggering a police manhunt. Sadapina mashoko buda pangwana Chivhayo on SA police wanted list. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibula mna mobla yuwa mchinzi. Joachim Chivhayo and Ayanda Brian Gungwa failed to appear before the Brakpan Magistrates Court, violating strict bail conditions imposed after their arrest last year. The pair were apprehended in Brakpan in late November 2024 by the Hawks Serious Organized Crime Unit. They were allegedly found in possession of 6 unwrought gold bars valued at approximately 15 million rand. At the time of his arrest, Gungwa was also reportedly found with a fake South African identity document. On 28 November 2024, the court granted each accused bail of 20,000 rand. Their conditions were clear. They were to remain within Gauteng and South Africa and report to Beckpan police station every Sunday beginning 1 December 2024. The matter was postponed to 25 February 2025 for further investigation. However, the two men allegedly failed to comply with their reporting requirements and did not return to court. As a result, on 11 March 2025, the court issued warrants for their arrest. South African authorities have since classified Chivhayo and Gungwa as wanted suspects, with the law enforcement agencies actively pursuing their arrest. Yet, in a twist that underscores the cross-border complexity of the case, the two brothers are reportedly living openly in Zimbabwe, where they are said to be moving freely, driving luxury vehicles, and enjoying VIP treatment at ruling party events linked to ZANU-PF. Though my developments are from Zimbabwe, when I comment section, I do have more and more to do. I'm subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.